Hi, today we'll be making sweet and sour chicken. First we'll start with the sauce. Ketchup, add some lemon juice, vinegar, pineapple juice, sugar, honey and a pinch of salt. Then we mix it. Sauce is ready. Now I will prepare the vegetables. The vegetables are now ready. Next step, we'll coat the chicken. Now we dust the chicken with corn flour and chicken powder. Just dust them lightly. Now we will deep fry the chicken. The fried chicken is ready. We take the wok, add some oil. We add the garlic. And then we add the chicken. The rest of the vegetables. Now we add the sauce. Looks delicious. Sweet and sour chicken is ready. Time to dig in.